Hi my lovelies, welcome back to my channel, and for everybody who is new, I'm Leorah and I'm so glad you found me. So welcome to today's video, which is going to be a tutorial, and it's this wrap. And sweeties, can't you, when you see this, can't you wait to know how to do this? Yeah, okay, so this is the I'll Stand By You wrap, and I want to dedicate this video to my 6-year-old daughter Malkiella, and I wanted to actually name this wrap Malki wrap, but we have done that already. There is already a Malki wrap, but I want to still dedicate this video to her because she's going through some stuff, but I just want her to know that I'll always be at her side and I'll always have her back, and that is it. So anyway, good things, only good things should happen to all of us. Okay, sweeties, this video is in collaboration with Wrapunzel, who has supplied everything that you're seeing here on my head. And of course, if you're new here and you don't know what I'm doing, I am doing twice a month a wrapping related video, and mostly it's wrapping tutorials. Sometimes it's other wrapping related content. So that is what I'm doing here. And yeah, just so you know. Anyway, that is what we're doing, and I hope you will enjoy. So without further ado, let's go right into the video. Okay, hi my lovelies, welcome to the tutorial part of the I'll Stand By You wrap. Okay, sweeties, I'm wearing my black Wendy shaper, the love of the first hour, and then I'm going to introduce the two scarves that we are using today. Now, for my first scarf, which is sort of going to be my base scarf, okay? This is going to be the tapestry scarf in green, which was part of my latest Leorah kit, and I hope you got your hands on this because that was an exclusive to that kit, and it's so gorgeous, like seriously gorgeous. But in case you didn't or you don't want to, the tapestry scarves in general, always a winner, no matter which color, always a winner, just saying. Okay, so this is the first scarf that I'm going to use, and the second scarf is this one. This is a brown sari scarf, and I just want to suggest for the top scarf, I'm just going to differentiate between them as a base scarf and a top scarf, because the top scarf, which is the second one we are using, you know, it has to be something that has like nice fringes or something that you want to show, okay? Because then it's gonna look nicer, and you will understand in just a second. So anyway, this is the sari scarf, and of course most of you probably know the concept of sari scarves. They are all very, very unique. It's like all of these I don't know how to explain it, you know, all these different layers of cloth, I guess. Yeah, language skills. Okay, sweeties, let's just go in and do it, okay? And it's super, super easy. You will see in just a second. Okay, first of all, I'm taking my tapestry scarf. I'm folding it in a little bit because I don't need the whole width of it. Just look at the inside. You know how shimmery it is? Isn't it gorgeous? Stuff like this makes me happy, sweeties, really. Okay, so I'm going to put it down on top of my Wendy shaper, from the top down, of course. So both of the sides, or each side, will hang down more or less equally, okay? Okay, it doesn't have to be rocket science, but sort of, you know? All right, so anyway, I'm going to place it down neatly around my head, and I'm going to cross over behind my head, like this. And now I'm going to just sort of tighten it a little bit here and here. Sometimes they come out a little bit, not these scarves in general, but in general when you're using bigger scarves, sometimes they sort of get a little bit messy here, you know, because suddenly you have a lot of material that sort of bunches up in one place. So anyway, now that's all sorted out, we're going to just bring it up here and tie a knot. But we have to leave a little bit of room here in front. But for now, I'm just going to leave the ends hanging here. And we need a little bit of room here, okay? So now I'm going to take the sari scarf, this one, and I'm going to sort of bunch it up whichever way it falls, because these scarves are just phenomenal in this, that they always look good no matter what you do, you know? So, okay, also this one I sort of take halfway, and the middle I'll put here. Also this one I'm going to cross over behind my head. And then I'm going to take these two parts to the front, and I'm going to bring up the sari scarf, and I'm going to tie a knot behind the knot of the tapestry scarf, like this. Ta-ta. Okay, so anyway, now we're going to continue, and this is also a step that you know already, and I love to use things that I know already, and I'm just going to combine them in a different way. So anyway, I'm going to use the same technique that I just always use. Honestly, seriously, there is no science to this. I'm not actually that creative because I'm just really reusing everything I know. Okay, so anyway, one goes to this side, and this one that comes out to this side goes to this side. Okay, and that's it. So now what we do is we'll just tug it away into basically this part here, you know, this part of the sari scarf. So let's just do that. And also on this side, just like tug it away wherever you find room. It's like wherever, it doesn't matter. Okay. And now what really makes this wrap so cute is, and this is what I mentioned when I introduced the scarves to you, let me just sort this out for a second, is that when you have now the top scarf, when it has some fringes or something that is cute, you know, something that you want to feature, then it looks extra special. Okay, so now what I'm doing is basically I'm just pulling the sari scarf itself, you know, the place before it hits the knot, and I'm pulling it out a little bit, and I'm just sort of tugging this part into itself. You know, the tail end of the sari scarf basically goes behind or underneath the rising part of the sari scarf before we tie the knot. I hope you understand what I'm meaning. So, and now you see what I mean. You know, this is what I mean, because it just looks so adorable when you in that case have a scarf that is just cute like this, you know. And then the same thing you do here, and I'm going to try to show you again. Here, this is the sort of the coming, how does one say that, the rising part of the sari scarf that came up from after we had crossed over behind the head. This came up and then we tied the knot. So this is what I'm grabbing, and this is where I'm basically tugging in the tail end of that same scarf. Like that. Now, is that adorable or is that adorable? Like, really? Right? I think this is so cute. And also, besides that, the color combination between those two scarves is phenomenal. It's like you're locked into nature, you're grounded, I don't know, it's just so cool. So anyway, this is my wrap for today. Let me just see if I did it right. And then turn around so you can see. Like this. And like this. Alright, so I hope you did enjoy this because this is so easy, and again with different color combinations, different textures, whatever, you can play with this so much. And if you have something fringy like this, you can make such cute looks, you know. So anyway, if you're up for a cute look, then please feel free to play around with this. And definitely if you're uploading pictures on the Facebook group or whatever, then please let me know and please tag me, because I'll definitely gonna want to see this. So besides that, of course, if you want to order something from Wrapunzel, then please feel free to use my discount code, which is Queen Leorah in all caps in one word, and it will give you 5% off your order, and it is affiliated. So if you want to support me in that way, thank you so much. Besides that, of course, you will find everything linked in the description box that I have used here today. I cannot promise you that the green one is still available. I don't know, but there are other tapestry scarves available. And again, I also have the aqua colored one, which is so gorgeous. Like, tapestry scarves are my favorites, really. And also sari scarves, harmony scarves, the list is long. I should make a new favorites video. Maybe I should. So anyway, this is that. And of course, if you're new here, then please subscribe to my channel. I would absolutely love to have you here. If you're watching this video on the Wrapunzel channel, then please subscribe to Wrapunzel too, because we are all a very loving family here, and it's such a wonderful support group. All right, sweeties, this is it for today. I hope you did enjoy yourself, and I will see you here next time for my next video. And up until then, definitely go ahead and sparkle. Hugs and kisses. Bye.